So let's talk about the task gadget. Remember, you can add unlimited number of gadgets per dashboard and you can create unlimited number of dashboards. So we added one of the task gadgets. So this task gadget is giving you all the information you need to have and what is going on in different tasks across all projects. So the first thing you do is select the projects you would like to fetch the information about. So if you have multiple projects, you can select those, or you can just select those which you would like to see. In this case, I have selected 3 projects and I'm getting the data, basically all the tasks in those projects, everything that needs to be done, but which is not completed. So everything that is archived is not visible here. So here I can see everything and I can see all the different widgets connected in each individual project. Now, if I click on assign to me, then I can see what has been actually assigned to me in these 3 different projects here. So I can see everything that all, today, latest, and etc. And I can also select the date range. Now, if I go to see unassigned tasks, so this is basically where we have different tasks, but they don't have assigned a person to them. So we can simply click on them and get more information and assign someone to them. You can also see the percentage where most of the tasks are not assigned in these 3 different projects which I have selected. Now, if I go to archive is basically like completed, so I can see what has been completed in what projects, and I can also see the date and how many of these are archived per each date. Favorites. Favorite tasks are basically, sometimes maybe you have tasks that you really need to keep an eye on, so you can mark them as favorites. So if I go back to this project, I can open a task, click on a star, and it's marked as a favorite. So next time I go to the dashboard, it's being visible here. So now I can access it quickly. Perfect. The other thing we have is the deadline. So if we have different things that needs to be done, so for this you need to have a deadline widget. And if you can also click on the month and then you can see what needs to be done for this specific month. So let's try to add one of the deadline widgets. So if we go here, add a nice deadline and we set something maybe tomorrow. Perfect. And if I go back, I can see there is a deadline. Great. And I can also probably see it in the calendar view. Perfect. Now I can see what all team members in my team are doing. So I can see what they are assigned to. I can nice statistics, different tasks, archived and how much they have done. So basically what they are assigned to, what they have been completed, archived, latest task created by this user, in this case it's me, and what they have completed later. So I can just see on each individual person what they have to do. And same thing, so I can just click on each person to see their load. And you can click here to delete this gadget if you would like to. This is a task gadget, and that one gives you an overview of everything that you need to do across all projects that is connected to tasks. Cool, make sure to check it out, and it's part of the dashboard on Easynote. See you on easynote.com. Bye-bye.